Welcome back, folks. You're listening to AI with Shaily, where I'm your host, Shailendra Kumar, bringing you the freshest and most exciting developments straight from the world of artificial intelligence. Today, let's dive into some breakthrough news in the ever evolving landscape of multimodal AI. Yes, those clever systems that understand text, images, sound, and everything in between. Picture this: I recently tried juggling a morning routine while listening to a podcast, glancing at my smart display for reminders, and sipping coffee all at once. It struck me how challenging it is to balance multiple inputs without getting overwhelmed. Well, it turns out AI faces a similar challenge. Often, multimodal models tend to favor one type of input, say text, over images or audio, which can throw off their accuracy in real world use. This is where the brilliant team at KAIST, led by Professor Stephen Eujung Wang, has made an impressive leap. They introduced a training trick that intentionally feeds AI with mismatched or unrelated pairs of text and images, compelling the model to treat every input, be it audio, text, or visuals, with equal importance. The result? A more balanced, fair, and robust AI that's less likely to get biased by any one source. Imagine having an assistant that truly sees and hears as well as it reads, much like a friend who's paying attention to everything you say and show. What excites me even more is how this innovation is architecture agnostic, meaning it can be plugged into various AI systems, scaling smoothly across different industries from content moderation to healthcare diagnostics. And as the world's conversations buzz about fairness and bias in AI, this method is hitting all the right spots, not just as a technical milestone, but as a practical solution. On the broader stage, October 2025 is also shining with some stellar multimodal giants. 1. OpenAI's GPT-4o blends text, images, audio, and video on the fly, enabling everything from instant voice-to-voice translation to lively, emotionally rich conversations. 2. Google DeepMind's Gemini 2.5 series leaps ahead with rapid and nuanced scene understanding, making it a hit in classrooms and boardrooms alike. 3. We're finally seeing AI literally at our fingertips with devices like Microsoft's Copilot Plus PCs running powerful multimodal AI locally, fast, private, and context savvy. Here's a question for you. Have you ever wondered how seamless your interaction with AI could become if your device understood not just your words, but your gestures, your environment, or even your tone? These innovations are paving the way for exactly that experience. Before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus tip for anyone dabbling with AI development or just curious. When working with multimodal datasets, try mixing in incongruent or noisy pairs intentionally during training. It might sound counterintuitive, but as KAIST's work shows, this strategy can actually boost your model's resilience and fairness. To sum it up, the future of AI is multimodal and balanced, fairly weighing all sensory inputs and making interactions richer, more natural, and trustable. As Aristotle once said, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. With these innovations, AI is cultivating excellence habit by habit. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the cutting edge of AI, don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium. Share your thoughts, questions, or your favorite AI experiments in the comments. I love hearing your perspectives. And of course, hit subscribe so you never miss a beat on the latest AI trends. Thanks for tuning in to AI with Shaily. Until next time, keep asking questions and stay curious.